We've been busy. You working hard?
No, come on back. On the beach. Yeah, we're going on the beach for a minute.
Yeah.
What's the plan today?
I don't know.
Let's see.
I don't know.
You stay
We're going with the flow.
You stay here till?
Huh?
You stay here till evening?
No, I have to go do some work. Yeah. Yeah. You working today? You don't have no clients today?
Yeah, yesterday I did, but today he left.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, I'm just going to go back to my house and play in my garden.
I see you anyway.
All righty. Okay. All right. African Ocean Homestead. Taking a little detour to the beach with the family. This beach is just walking distance from the plot. Sorry. Oh, no problem. Barry. You have to excuse the wind. Double trouble. Nzuri. Ah. These are two bad boys here. Two bad boys. No, him, not the tears on. Yeah. I know it's very windy out. There's fishermen. Yeah. Yeah, I had to get a new phone. Yeah, so who are you? Introduce yourself. Ali. And what do you do, Ali, besides cause trouble with Omi here? Y'all have guests today?
Yeah, I want to go to Nungu. You want to visit Nungu today?
What time?
I have to check the time because they say I'm going to send you the time. Then we go to Nungu.
If it's in the evening, like after what, 3, 4?
Let me check.
Okay.
Because they say I'm going to send you that time.
Okay, and what you doing in Nungu? Causing trouble?
Yes, I'm going to drop you.
Oh, okay. Who's driving? Musa?
Yes.
Musa drive haraka. Anyway, we can go have a little lunch. We'll talk to you guys later.